for clicking on my video to watch for today's video. I have some new makeup that I want to play with, especially this Blue Moon palette from ColourPop. Oh my gosh, I'm having so much fun with these colorful eyeshadows that ColourPop came out with. So I used mostly drugstore, I'm pretty sure. And basically this video is pretty chill. I'm just playing with some new and old makeup and I came out with this look. So before we get on to the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Click that little bell beside the subscribe button. That way you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. Also be sure to like this video if you enjoy it. And if you'd like to know how I came out with this look and what products I use, then please just keep watching. I have a primer. I got this in my BoxyCharm I think a couple months ago. This is the No Pore Blem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. So I'm going to test it out today. I actually have been really excited to test this out, but I keep forgetting about it. Every time I look, I really want to use it. But I was waiting for it. I was waiting to use it in a video, so now's my chance. It kind of smells good. But more like a fresh scent, not like sweet or anything, and it's really runny. It's like a serum, I would say, but I like it. It's making my skin super shiny. I didn't have a new foundation or concealer, so I just applied those really quick. I used my Dermablend Smooth Liquid Camo foundation and then my Catrice Liquid Camouflage Concealer. I really like the finish of this foundation. I just don't like the feel of it. It feels like paint and it's really sticky, so I need to set it with a powder. I'm pretty sure I haven't used this powder before. If I have, I really don't remember using it. It is the Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder, so I'm gonna use this to bake today. Oh yeah, I don't think I've used this. I remember opening it because it has this big fluffy thing, so it just looks like white powder. My dog is playing with a new toy that we bought him today, so if you can hear that, I'm very sorry. It actually was a squeaky ball, but he already broke the squeaker on it, so now it just sounds like he's pushing air out of it. This feels like it's gonna make my skin really smooth, because it feels smooth when I'm putting it on, hopefully, and that is the case. Okay, so I'm gonna bake these areas of my face. I look ridiculous. I'm gonna bake those areas, but I'm gonna take this fluffy cotton thing and just set the rest of my face with it. Oh, just kidding. Oh wait, that's weird. I thought it was gonna stick, but it ended up blending in. I don't know, I don't really like this fluffy thing. It does seem to be smoothing out my skin though. I'm just gonna wipe it away now. It's only been sitting on for a couple minutes. I'm going to contour really quick with my Sigma Sculpt Highlights and Contour Palette. Pick up the shade Throw Shade on my Large Angled Contour F40 by Sigma. And just sweep it into the hollows of my cheeks and push it up onto my cheeks. The bronzer that I bought is a very warm bronzer, so I kind of want my contour shade to match that. So the bronzer I bought is from Maybelline. It is one of their city bronzers. This one is in the shade 300. I actually bought it a couple weeks ago, just haven't got the chance to use it yet. It's very deep. I was thinking of more when I had a tan. I had my tanner on when I bought it. Right now I don't. So we'll see how this works out. I'm gonna use it on my Spa Essentials bronzing brush. Ooh, it's pigmented. It's really pretty actually. I don't mind the shade. It would suit me better if I had a tan, but I don't mind a bold bronzer anyways. I kind of really like this shade. It's pigmented. I'm gonna have to blend that out better. I put a lot on that side. Oh my gosh. This side looks really pretty and then this side's like, wow, what'd you do there? Oops. Doing damage control. I'm gonna take some of this powder and clean up my mistake. As well, put my highlighter on while that's doing its thing. I'm gonna use Becca Opal today with my Sigma F35. I felt like sticking with this highlighter would be a good choice because it's not too white, it's not too gold, it's kind of in the middle. I don't really know what's gonna go well with blue eyeshadow, so choosing this, and I'm choosing not to do a blush because I feel like that would just throw it off. Okay, I'm excited to use this. This is the ColourPop All-Star Face Setting Spray. I'm so excited. I sprayed this on my cousin's face. I haven't tried it for myself, but it smells delicious. Okay, not as delicious smelling as I thought it was. I must have been smelling something else. It's a pretty good spray. Don't see any white dots, which is a good sign. Sometimes when I use the setting spray, the water specks will stick to my face and then ruin my makeup, but that one didn't do that. Are you guys ready for it? I'm using the ColourPop Blue Moon palette. I'm so nervous, but I literally can't help myself. I never play with blues, but look at this palette. It's insane. I have to. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start off with Starry Eyed, picking it up on my Sigma Tapered Blending E40. Ooh, I'm about to put it in my crease. Oh my gosh. How do they get these colors so pigmented? I just filmed another video using the yellow palette. I'm not sure if that one will be up first or not, but the eyeshadows were insane on that one too. Like, this is crazy. This one's being a little bit patchy. I'm not sure if it's the eyeshadow or the powder that I put on my eyelids. I think I'm gonna try and make this look really smoky. So I'm gonna fan out the edges. Yeah, but this shade's a little bit patchy. Again, I don't know if it's the powder or the eyeshadow, but the more I build it up, the more it covers up all the patches. Taking this deeper matte blue, Fine China, I'm gonna pick it up on my Sigma Diffuse Crease E38. Ooh, I'm excited for this one. This one's gonna go on my outer corner. Oh my gosh, these are insane. I'm also gonna bring it into the rest of my crease as well. I'm kind of flicking it out as I blend. Also, where's the fallout on these eyeshadows? Because I don't see any. I can't wait to play with the rest of these palettes. I'm pretty sure I have all of the monochromatic color palettes, and I think I'm gonna do an Instagram tutorial with one of them because I'm using this one in this video. I use the yellow one in the video I just filmed, so I think I gotta bring a video to Instagram too. I'm gonna do a half cut crease. I'm gonna grab my concealer on a flat shadow brush. This one is the Vasanti eyeshadow 2 brush. I'm just gonna carve out the inner part of my lid. First, I'm gonna grab the shade Tide Pool because I can't not use that shade. It's so pretty. It is the shade that's speaking to me. So I'm gonna put this on. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, I'm putting this right here on the outer part of where I did the cut crease, the center of my lid. Oh my gosh. Switching to a brush just so I can really get to the top of this cut crease here. Wow, it actually applies just as pigmentedly with a brush. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this on the entire inner part of my lid, and then I'm gonna put another shade on top of it. I was gonna do 2 shades separately, but I changed my mind. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up the shade Lumi with the same brush. This one is from a Lamar. I'm gonna put it onto, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Should I put it on top of the shade I just put down, like everywhere? I can't decide. Yeah, I had something in mind and I just keep changing my mind. I was just gonna put it on the inner part of my lid. Yeah, I think I'll still do that and kind of fade it out into the other shade. I'm gonna pick up Starry Eyed again on my Luxie mini tapered brush, and I'm gonna run this along my lower lash line. I'm gonna take the shade Fine China and put it on the outer part of my lower lash line. Pause the show. I've got peach. I'm taking Lumi again for my inner corner highlight. And now for another really exciting part. ColourPop has these really colorful gel eyeliners, so I'm gonna use the blue one to match my look. This one is in the shade Prance. So I'm gonna put this on my lower waterline. I also have ColourPop's mascara. This is the BFF Volumizing Mascara. It kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara wand, so I have a feeling I'm gonna like this because that is one of my favorite mascaras ever. Oh yeah. This mascara is really nice. I'm not going to try and do too much with it though because I am putting on false lashes. I also have colored mascaras, which I really want to try. I wish I got the blue one. The lashes I'm going to try are these from Ardell. They're the Studio Effects 105 lashes. I found them at Winners for $4. Okay, the lashes they're on, I really like them. I have a feeling that they are the 105 Glamour lashes, but more zhuzhed up because they do say 105 on them. But anyways, I got a few NYX lip liners the other day. This one is in the shade Brunch Me. I'm hoping it's gonna go. I feel like it would be the only one that would go with this look that I got. And I used another shade and I really liked the formula of it. And these lip liners are only $6. So I want to get more, but I got the main shades that I saw that I wanted. For my lipstick, I'm taking Essence Porcelain Doll. I think I want this to be a glossy lip, so now I'm going to take a Bite Beauty Rambutan lip gloss and just put it over top of everything. Okay guys, well that is it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave, or like this video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!